Are you over 60 and worried about muscle loss? You're not alone, and the good news is, you don't need fancy supplements or expensive diets to rebuild strength. Today, we're revealing 7 cheap and science-backed foods that can help seniors build muscle fast and stay strong for life. If you're looking to fight frailty, improve balance, and stay independent, this list is for you. Quick fact: why muscle matters after 60. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. Starting as early as age 30, we lose up to 3 to 8% of muscle every decade. But here's the good news: it's never too late to fight back with the right foods. The 7 best muscle-building foods for seniors over 60. 1. Eggs, the perfect protein. Eggs are an affordable, complete protein source containing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and build muscle. Just one egg has about 6 grams of protein and is packed with leucine, the key amino acid for muscle growth. Tip: scramble them with veggies for a muscle-building breakfast. 2. Canned tuna or salmon, protein plus omega-3. South. Canned fish like tuna and salmon are high in protein and also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which support muscle protein synthesis and reduce inflammation. Bonus: they're cheap, shelf-stable, and easy to prepare. Tip: mix with avocado or olive oil instead of mayo for a healthy twist. 3. Lentils and beans, plant-based power. Beans are not only protein-packed but also high in fiber, which supports gut health and blood sugar control, crucial for older adults. Lentils offer around 18 grams of protein per cooked cup. Tip: great in soups, stews, or over brown rice for a complete meal. 4. Greek yogurt, high protein plus calcium. Greek yogurt has nearly twice the protein of regular yogurt and contains probiotics for digestion and calcium for bone strength. A single cup can have up to 20 grams of protein. Tip: add berries and a sprinkle of flaxseed for an anti-inflammatory snack. 5. Cottage cheese, slow-digesting protein. Cottage cheese is rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds muscles over several hours, making it ideal before bed or as a post-exercise snack. Tip: mix with pineapple or tomato slices for a savory or sweet option. 6. Oats, energy plus muscle fuel. Don't skip carbs. Whole grains like oats give your muscles the energy they need to repair and grow after exercise. Plus, they contain small amounts of protein and B vitamins. Tip: add a spoonful of peanut butter for extra protein and healthy fats. 7. Spinach or leafy greens, muscle plus mobility. Leafy greens like spinach contain magnesium, iron, and nitrates, which improve blood flow and support muscle contraction. They also help prevent cramping and fatigue. Tip: toss into omelets, smoothies, or pasta for a sneaky nutrition boost. Bonus tip: pair with resistance exercise. Eating these foods is just one half of the muscle-building equation. The other half, move those muscles. Even light resistance training or daily walking can activate muscle growth, especially when paired with these powerhouse foods. The 7 best cheap muscle-building foods for seniors: eggs, canned tuna, salmon, lentils and beans, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, oats, spinach. You don't need to break the bank. Make smart, simple choices. Combine these with gentle movement, and your body will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more senior health tips every week. Comment below, which of these 7 foods do you eat most? Or let us know if we missed your favorite. Stay strong, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.